Welcome back to my kitchen. If you are craving something comforting, unique and full of flavors, you're in for a treat. Today I'll be showing you how to make sardine bread, perfectly soft and savory and so easy to make at home. Join me, let's make it together. We will start by adding 5 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl, that is 600 grams. Next, we'll add half cup of sugar into a bowl, that is 100 grams. And then we'll add 1 sachet of dry yeast, that is 11 grams, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We mix together. Next, we'll add 1 egg and 3/4 cup of warm water, that is 180 ml, and also 3/4 cup of warm milk, that is 180 ml. Set aside and then bring your sardine. Open it and pour out all the oil, then transfer the oil to the flour mixture. For this recipe, we'll be needing only the sardine oil. There will be no need for butter. Next, we'll be kneading it using a stand mixer on high for 12 minutes. You can use your hands to knead as well. After kneading, your dough should look this smooth and stretchy. Mold the dough into a ball and transfer back into the bowl, then cover and allow to double in size while placing it in a warm area. Once the dough has doubled in size, deflect it and transfer it to a work surface, then divide into 3 equal parts. Roll out each of the dough using a rolling pin. After that, transfer your sardine into a bowl and mash into smaller pieces. Next, we scoop some of the sardine onto the dough. Then we roll up into a log, forming a bread loaf. After rolling, pinch the edge to seal it. Transfer the bread loaf into a greased pan. I greased my pan using oil and flour. Then repeat the process for the rest of the dough. Cover the pan and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. If you have any sardine left in the bowl, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to it and use it to brush the bread before baking. This is totally optional, you can skip it if you prefer. Bake in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Your soft, delicious sardine bread is ready. This bread is warm, is savory, and is packed with flavors. And this recipe is perfect for snack time, for parties, or just impressing your taste buds. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Also, feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. And also check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you will find something else you love. Let me know in the comment section which beverage you'll be pairing this bread with. Also, let me know if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. I hope you enjoy making it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.